Hello wadau, so leo nilisema wacha niamke nifanye mng'arisho hapo ya vyombo. So I woke up nikaanza kung'arisha vyombo before I start my main duties of the day. So nilianza hapo kuosha vyombo and my cameraman was my hubby. Alikuwa hapo behind very tired and alikuwa na njaa msikie. So that was so off anyways. So nilijambia let me be faster then prepare yeka kitu like I say to myself wacha nikuwe faster at least nimtengeneze ka kitu jue. So here I was almost done. Actually the hardest part ya kuosha vyombo for me inakuanga ni kuosha masufuria, especially for those of us wenye bado anatumia hizi sufuria za niziite za chuma. Yeah. Zinakuanga kinda a little bit difficult to wash by the way and they usually need a lot of strength while kusugua. Inahitaji muscles. But trust me, my best friend when it comes to kusugua sufuria inakuanga ile sabuni ya blue. We call it, is it magwanji? Yeah, some people call it magwanji, some call it radiel. That's how we call it. It's the best for me when it comes to kusugua hizi masufuria. Cause okay, auta have to put more effort, uta have to kuiosha being simple too. It's actually best ata kwa mwili pia for those who know. So I was almost done with my dishes and guys, tafadhalini tu. I don't want to sound personal but please, unaona hiyo button ya subscribe, kindly don't pass it, please, just click it. Yeah, and pia unaweza drop a like, you can drop a comment too. And pale TikTok tunajiita The Chosen, pale Facebook it is The Neptune, there is no symbol, and pale YouTube it is The Chosen. Thank you guys for watching this amazing vlog. So nilikumbuka we had sukuma wiki yenye ilikuwa imebaki jana, so I had to kuitransfer from sufuria to a dish because ilikuwa kidogo. Yeah, because I just wanted to wash everything, at least nyumba ikae safi. So yeah, that's me doing the final touch of my small sink, and yeah. So I'm done and I really thank you guys for watching this amazing video, and bye until we meet again, because we definitely shall. Thank you and bye.